down your block, knocking pictures off the wall. So I'm Front Street, riding, bagging bitches out the mall on the giant high. Just like Gucci Mane, I'm riding giant fly. You should see they head turn when I ride flying by.
Stopped in the OB today. This is this little sneak peek video of the box and how he's doing it. So we got the 6.5 is going to be ported out both sides. He was in here making sawdust when I stopped through. So show y'all what the underside of the hood looks like in the work truck.
Did you take a look at it already?
Yeah, it looks nice. So as you can see right here, we have the 370 still there. He made a bracket right here. This didn't have anything to hold this in place. It was like real loose, so it's real tidy and nice. Doubled up everything, so dual runs of power. Certified basshead fuses and fuse holders. Tons of runs of wire. Told him just to make sure everything was good. So it's all good here. You can see the runs of wire headed back around. Got all the certified basshead logos showing and everything looking real nice. Beautiful. Made a bracket to hold the fuses over here as well. Show y'all what it looks like back here. Still in progress, obviously. But so far, you can see that we got the SCV4000 mounted back here. Got the SAX 200.4 over here. Looking awesome. Very nice wiring. Very nice job. He said he found a few things that he needed to fix, so it's taking a little bit longer, but that's as to be expected when you're opening up a can you've never been into before. But looking nice. I'm liking it, man. All right, so we just got, no, I'm doing a little video. So we're outside of OB Audio. My boy Juan came by. He's been following me on YouTube for a while, and he was hitting me up on there. He said he wanted to come by and meet me, and get some shirts and stickers and stuff. So luckily, we brought him with us. We're actually down here for hanging out for our anniversary. 2 whole years. Woo!
Congrats. Congrats.
Thank you. So I always try to bring the little goodie box right here that has some shirts and stuff like that. Hooking my boy Nick up with the 2 free shirts for taking me to the airport last week. I'm just gonna leave him here. He's actually out shooting guns right now. We should go meet up with him so we can just do some gun shooting. All right, I appreciate you coming to meet me. Thank you for coming to meet me and all that good stuff, man. All right, we're gonna go in here and finish up talking to Chad, OB Audio. Be sure to come by and hit him up if you need anything in this area. He's got a DC level 6 you're about to do?
Level 6, 18.
And what amp are you gonna put on it?
DC 0.5.
7.5? Wow, that's gonna be impressive.
I hope so.
You're pushing that thing to the max.
I hope so.
You got a YouTube channel or anything?
No.
No? Okay. Well, maybe I can get a video of it one day and put it on mine.
All right.
That'll work.
Good.
All right, appreciate you coming by, man. I think it's telling the time, like when it knocks us over. Oh, bathroom.
So nice.
So cool.
Like
Thank you. Oh wow. It looks like literally a blue screen. I wonder what the best place to get is.
Is it just two of you guys?
Yeah.
You guys can sit right there.
okay, thank you.
That's a big old unit right there. It's like the Blue Man.
Cool.
It looks like, if you look straight up, it looks like a
Damn it, I don't want to
screen that is just TV is messed up. You are hot and bothered.
I know, I should have done it. I should have done it. That was stupid.
So awesome. Huh?
Oil.
So awesome.
Were you about to like just?
So cool. Definitely recommend coming to check this out.
Perfect, and then go with the toes forward. It's a little weird, right? A little weird. So let's work. I'm right here just in case you need me. Like I said, if you need me, I'm right here. I know.
The